Hey, John Cristani here. I'm going to show you how to make $500 a week, not selling, but buying Fiverr gigs. Now, I've used this weird little technique in my business to create for myself very valuable digital assets by paying dirt cheap prices to help me build these digital assets. Now, I'm going to be going over my strategy for how I buy gigs on Fiverr and am able to create digital assets that make me as much as $500 a week or more. In this video, I'll be going over some of my little techniques, and these have led to me becoming an internet multi-millionaire. Now let's get into it. I'll see you in the video. Hey, John Cristani here, and I'm going to be walking you through how you can make $500 a week buying gigs on a site called fiverr.com. Now, I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube about how to make money selling services for $5 on Fiverr. That's why it's called Fiverr. Everything's $5. But what you may not know is that you can actually make a lot more money buying these dirt cheap services and using them to create your own internet assets if you just know how. I'm sure everyone here knows selling stuff for $5 is not going to make you rich. If you've watched any of these Fiverr videos, just type in, I knew it. $5 is dirt cheap. Only $4 of that actually goes to you when you're selling gigs on Fiverr. If you're selling your services for $4, it means you have no idea how to make money. And I'm going to tell you some ways that you can make a lot of money by using this dirt cheap labor to build your assets and your income. Big social media influencers, big vlogs, big YouTube channels, big Instagram accounts make all the money. And by creating a digital asset for yourself where you can continually make money from your Instagram or your YouTube or your blog, you've created an income source for yourself rather than a service that you continually have to do over and over to earn $5 on Fiverr. Let's get into some of the methods how. Now, the first method is buying articles or videos on Fiverr for $5, right? There are skilled writers and video creators on Fiverr that can create for you an article or a video on any topic imaginable. For instance, you can promote an affiliate product and pay somebody on Fiverr to write an article that promotes an affiliate product and get that article ranked on Google so that people find the article, and whenever people buy the product, you make $50. One sale, one commission will cover the cost of 10 Fiverr articles. One sale, one commission of a weight loss product will cover the cost of 10 videos created from Fiverr creators. Now, these 10 unique articles or unique videos that you got created using Fiverr, they can be posted not just on your own blog, but they can be posted on social media sites. They can be posted on other video sharing sites. They could be posted on your YouTube channel. They could be posted on Facebook. You can post them anywhere, and they're unique content for you that can be used to create commissions for the affiliate products that you are promoting. This way, you pay somebody once for an asset that keeps on producing you money over time. And you can take those profits and use them to create more assets for yourself. Now, I've used Fiverr a lot to build up my digital assets online. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars from just AdSense revenue on my YouTube channel. And a lot of the content that I got started with on YouTube was helped, the editing and whatnot, some of my intro videos, etc., by people on Fiverr. A lot of my traffic came from my own blog, where I had articles written for me on Fiverr. I also used people that I found for dirt cheap selling their services on Fiverr, and I hired them to do more social media marketing for me and manage some of my accounts on a monthly basis. Again, the labor on Fiverr is dirt cheap. Anybody who spent a couple hours researching about online marketing or online businesses can use this dirt cheap labor on Fiverr and use it to create assets and bigger income streams for themselves. Now, the next thing to know that can make you really big money, but it's much more dangerous place and risky place to enter into, is you can even make money buying marketing promotions on Fiverr. Now, please do not buy clicks. People who promise you traffic to your website are just going to end up sending you bot clicks. I don't care where they say the traffic comes from. It's fake traffic. They aren't people who are ever going to buy anything on your site. So stay away from ever buying clicks on Fiverr. But you can buy things like having people promote your YouTube videos or whatnot. And you can buy things like having people share your articles or your videos in other places. Now, even if the places that people share your videos don't necessarily end up creating for you new buyers or a lot of traffic, it's still providing backlinks and SEO for your YouTube channel or for your blog, and that helps you get ranked by both algorithms and helps you show up overall to more people. Another example of something you can do that's creative is you can take videos or articles that you've had produced for you. This way you can start ranking on Google or YouTube for keywords in other languages, that in countries or languages that are maybe not so saturated as English is with all of the marketers that market in the English language. This gives you an extra edge over the competition. And if you get creative with how you approach buying marketing gigs on Fiverr, you can find a lot of ways to make a lot of money. Now, if you enjoyed my video, please subscribe and also hit the notification icon. And the reason why you should do this, I mean, just do it out of the kindness of your heart. No, really. I mean, actually, I give away lots of money every single Monday on my live streams. Here's a $100 gift card I gave away and scratched off live. Here's a $10 Amazon gift card that I gave away and scratched off live. And just a lot of other, PayPal money, Amazon money. Here's PayPal. And I give away all of this for free to my subscribers, because why the heck not, right? Life's too short to hoard it all for myself. Last live stream, I had 100 people on and I gave away $500. That means everybody who attended my live stream made an average of $5 just by knowing about it and showing up. And large part of success I've found is just showing up. I've seen so many of my students. I tell them what to do. I tell them the actions to take, but they just don't show up. So make sure to hit the subscribe and the notification icon and just show up. Again, I'm always sharing 5 days a week tips on how you can create passive income for yourself, start online businesses, and just do marketing. I love marketing. I love teaching, and I love the gift that I've been given, and I'm happy to share it with others. And if you want to keep staying involved in the community, I encourage you, check out my Discord channel. It's a forum. It's in the link below. And also check out all my other videos on my channel. Go to my homepage and you'll see I have a ton of playlists, a ton of videos about affiliate marketing, a ton of videos about online businesses, and also I have my story on there so you can help understand a little bit more about my life and what made me become the person I am today and making millions of dollars on the internet and whatnot. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you hit the subscribe button and you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. So happy to have you here. Have a good day. Bye.
It's been amazing in my life because John's program has actually helped me make an additional $2 million that changed my life.
John's training helped me buy a car and stop trading time for money.
Hi, my name is Demetrius. I basically started using his tactics yesterday and already started seeing results. After going through the program, I made my first commissions basically yesterday. John Cristani, thank you so much for access to your program. It is powerful, and I hope your students and people actually get in, and they'll see. They'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so thank you again, and I appreciate everything that you put out.